Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. And how is your day and how are you guys doing? Okay you guys, so today I have a very amazing news. Okay, I have an amazing ingredient that helps you to eradicate wrinkles on your face. Mixing just baking soda and Vaseline plus little other ingredients that are actually mixing together to activate this treatment, to make this treatment work really fine. You are good. You are at the right video if you've actually been wanting to, treat your skin, take care of your skin, and actually look good. You have to look good, okay, as a lady. These things that some of the cream we actually use, makes us to look old. It makes your skin so uneven. It gives you that pigmentations. It gives you that age-related problems on your skin. It actually makes you, look somehow. And you are at the right video to look yourself, to look beautiful, look glowing. Okay, so applying this just few minutes, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of difference. But what you need to do is that you need to be a little more consistent to see a lasting and a permanent result, when using this. Okay, all right you guys, so let me take you right into the video. I'm so excited to show you all of the ingredients. I'm going to be writing the names on my screen. Okay, so watch the video carefully to the very end so you can see all of the amazing ingredients. I'm going to be applying it on my beautiful face, and you are going to be seeing how this is going to transform my skin for good. All right you guys, so let me take you right into the video. All right you guys, so to transform your skin in few minutes, you guys, it's just this particular remedy that I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, and this will basically help you to transform your skin a whole lot. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're going to be needing is baking soda, okay, which is a bicarbonate of soda. Okay, and I'm gonna be using 1.5 tablespoons. This is a great moisturizing property that helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to leave the skin rejuvenated. It helps to leave the skin glowing. Okay, because it scrubs out all of the dead skin cells. So the very next ingredient we're needing is Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be scooping in my petroleum jelly. And then I'll mix it up. Then I'll be needing just a little of this black castor oil. This one. Black castor oil. Then I'll mix and it will get loose. And then we're going to be making use of potato. Now potato is one anti-aging property It helps to nourish and moisturize the skin, and it also helps to keep the skin glowing. Okay, so I'm gonna be needing just a little piece of potato. So I'm gonna go boil this potato, all right, and then I will be right back to show you my potato puree. So here is my potato, blended potato. So you're gonna scoop about 2 to 3 spoons, depending on how plenty you want that. Okay, just scooping it in here. And you guys, this is great. This is amazing. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so let's go and apply and so it transform our skin, make the skin look younger, firmer, and tightens the skin a whole lot. So here is our remedy. Okay, it looks a little thick, right? Looks a little thick. It was thick though, it looks thicker because I refrigerated it. So what I'm going to do, I just love to tap my face. You guys, anytime you want to apply treatment like this, if you have the time to do it, just make sure you tap your face with water, and then before applying it, before using it. Okay, so after which then I grab my treatments and then use it generously. Smells good too. And just apply this generously. Make sure you give it a generous application all over your face. This feels really tight on my skin already, even without waiting for a little while. Okay, it feels really tight. All of the ingredients in here are superb. You can see I'm applying it towards the upper direction because I want my face to get tighter and firmer. Yep. Okay, you guys. So after that is done, what I'm going to do is that I can either leave it this way, or I can just massage a little. Okay, the layer in which I apply is so much, it's so thick, and I just love the consistency of this treatment, and I love how it feels on my skin. Okay, feels really good on my skin right now. So after which you're going to leave this, and it's not going to dry because of the oil in it, but it's just going to continue it. When you apply this, you're just going to know how this feels. This feels really good. It feels so good, you guys. So for this, you can actually use it at least once a day, to transform your skin, make your skin, look very polished, and then make your skin look so good the next day. Okay, so at least once a week is perfect for this particular glow treatment. So that's it, guys. That is an amazing and a transformation remedy that works so well in transforming you into your younger you. Okay, into your younger you. I'm so excited because this is one ingredient that helps me when I want to scrub. It helps to keep my skin so soft. It makes my skin so even, like, it gives you one color. That's what I mean. Okay, and I love it so well. So go give this a go. You have nothing to lose. Okay, all right, so I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.